The Worx Hydroshot is the world's first portable power cleaner, fueled by a 20-volt battery. Hydroshot pumps from any freshwater source for pressurized cleaning anytime, anywhere. The Worx Hydroshot.
I hate cleaning outdoors. It's a real pain, and I bet you hate it too. Hoses are too weak to clean, and pressure washers are too complicated.
Because they're big and bulky, and sometimes can damage what you're cleaning.
And now I'm going to tell you about a new, quick and easy way to keep all your outdoor spaces and your gear clean. The Worx Hydroshot. The anytime, anywhere, portable power cleaner. For the first time ever, you can pressurize and use any freshwater source. Use water from a bucket, a pool, or Mother Nature. Powered by a 20-volt max lithium battery, it's a self-contained, self-priming, and self-pressurizing cleaning machine. You can even hook Hydroshot up to your standard hose and boost its pressure up to 10 times. Now that I have a portable power cleaner fueled by a 20-volt lithium battery, it's a whole new concept. I can easily and quickly target and clean all the trouble spots around my yard and my home. Until now, there were places and items that I didn't clean often enough to really maintain them because there wasn't an easy tool for cleaning them. Now, I grab the Hydroshot, get them clean fast, and get on with my day. Hydroshot's extreme portability lets you clean in ways you never could before and allows you to maintain your gear at home on a regular basis, protecting your investment. I love having fun in the great outdoors, but I hate the fact that the dirt follows me home. But now with the Worx Hydroshot, I can take care of the mess and leave it where it happened. That's because the Worx Hydroshot can use any freshwater source to clean with, so it's the only truly portable cleaning tool that can clean up after a day at the beach. Grab your water from a lake or stream, or bring the water with you, and you can clean your gear before you go home, saving you plenty of time and your gear wear and tear. You can even clean your dirty boots at the job site, so that dirt never even makes it into your truck.
I love the Hydroshot. I love it so much that I've used it on about everything in my house. I've used the Hydroshot on my windows, on my sliding glass door tracks, on the outside of my walls of the house. I've used it on the patio, on the pool deck. I've used it on my barbecue, on the rims of my car. The Hydroshot is totally worth the money because there's nothing like it, and it's gonna work on everything you want it to work on.
Finally, there's an easier way to keep your home and yard clean and properly maintained year-round. Introducing Hydroshot, the first of its kind, a truly portable power cleaner that makes it easy to quickly remove dirt, dust, and grime before it builds up. There's no setup, no hassle. Just grab and go. Hydroshot is lightweight, but delivers heavy-duty cleaning power. It's totally portable using any fresh water source. A bucket, a pool, any available fresh water. Wash your car or rinse off your gear. Clean your home in places that used to be out of reach thanks to a 20-volt long-lasting max lithium battery. It's self-contained, self-priming, self-pressurizing. The Hydroshot power lamps adjust to any task. Use the long length for maximum cleaning power and keep the water on the job, not you. Use the shorter length for low-pressure jobs like watering flowers. Now you can maintain and clean your home and gear easily and more often, so mold, mildew, and dirt never build up. Call or go online now to order the complete Hydroshot cleaner.